guys, welcome back to the 9Honey kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy basil pesto because it is the ultimate cheats dinner when you've got a really busy weeknight. We're going to need some pine nuts. You can actually use whatever nuts you have in the kitchen. Walnuts and cashews also work really well, but we're going with classic pine nuts today. Some beautiful fresh basil. That's the smell that you get from pesto, and it really isn't pesto without basil. Then we just need some crushed up garlic, which you can get from the supermarket pre-crushed, or you can crush your own. Some lovely fresh Parmesan, which we're going to grate into it fresh off the block. And then all you need is some lemon and some olive oil to loosen it up, and some salt and pepper to season. Let's go.
First, wash and pick your basil leaves off the stalks. Next, put your pasta on to cook, and while it's simmering, make your pesto.
So the real trick when you're making pesto at home is to make it in a proper pestle and mortar. It's actually quicker than doing it in a food processor, and when you do, you get much better texture and it's not that uniform goo that you get out of a jar. Believe me when I say that it's the best pesto you will ever eat.
Pop your basil, pine nuts and garlic into the mortar and pestle and lightly crush. Add your olive oil and crush some more, but don't overwork it because you still want some texture. Grate in your Parmesan, add a splash of fresh lemon for tang and some cracked pepper. Give it a final mix and you're done.
Once your pasta's nice and al dente, all you need to do is stir some of that beautiful pesto through it and plate it up.
And there you have it, 10-minute handmade pesto pasta.